What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to remove the old tint off your 240, old car, Nissan, I don't know, Honda, whatever car you have. And I'm going to be using this, it's called My Little Steamer. I bought it off Target for like 20 bucks. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it out, and then hopefully I can remove the old tint off my car, because it looks ugly. I can't even see. So let's check it out. Go ahead and open this up. Some scissors. Okay, so this is, you guys you gotta put some water in here, and then what this thing does, it's basically gonna heat it up, and then steam's gonna come out from here. And the way we're gonna do it is once it starts steaming from here, I'm gonna go through the inside and then pretty much get it as close as possible to the rear windshield, and then it's gonna start coming off. I'll show you guys right now. I'm reading the instructions. Fuck this, we're not gonna need that. Let me go ahead and get some water so we can fill it up and then start heating the water up. It says I'm gonna fill it up all the way to the top. Whoops. Alright, we got our water in. I'm gonna go ahead and close this up, and then I'm gonna plug it up and watch all the magic happen. I think I left this cap backwards. Goes like this, boys. Alright, it's starting to steam up. You can see it. Yeah, check it out. Once it starts boiling in here, steam's gonna come out. You see? It's gonna take some time, but just gotta be patient. After you start seeing all these water bubbles, we're gonna need a blade, and then we can start peeling it off. It's almost going. What? This thing turned off. No. No. Oh, you know what? I ran out of water. I'm gonna go put some more. You gotta be very, very patient, bro. It's taking more than anticipated. I'm already tired. Can't even see. If I start peeling it off like this right now, chances are some of the glue is gonna stay in the window. So you gotta wait. Be kind of patient for this. It's getting kind of hot right now. I've been inside here for almost an hour. The best way to go about this is trying to get close as possible to the window, and then with the blade, scrape it like this. Just make sure to wear a glove, because if it gets hot, you'll burn yourself. See? Warm it up a little bit. And scrape it again. Halfway's there. I'm gonna continue this tomorrow because I got tired. I mean, the steamer got tired, so I'm gonna let her rest overnight and we'll continue tomorrow. Gonna pick up a scraper to make my job easier on that tint. My finger started hurting after a while. This should make the job easier. My money, bro. Doesn't want to take the money. Cute. Just got back from the Home Depot. I picked up this little scraper. Let's see how it works. Then I bought more blades just in case I need some. So, oh shit! All right, I'm gonna fill up the steamer with more water. I should have bought a bigger one. The downside about this one is that the water like finishes in like what, 10-20 minutes? No, less, not even. I'd say about 5 minutes and then it stops. Then I have to pour water again. But I mean, fuck it, you know? That's what happens when you're cheap. I'm like halfway done. This part's already done. All I need is, I'd say like 40%. Woohoo! Fuck, I overfilled it. Shit. Check it out, how easy it is. It's way easier with this thing. Good decision. Like to get the side right here, you just hit it sideways, you know, and it'll take it out real easy. See how easy that is? You know, I was fucking up doing it by hand without this scraper. 10 times better. Recommend it. Go spend 10 bucks on this shit. Totally worth it. Oh, I'm pretty much done. I just needed that square. I just couldn't get to it because it had that the brake light for shit. It had the brake light, so I just took it off so I can get to the last of the tint. I'm just waiting for this thing to steam up again. I'm telling you, it lasts only like 5 minutes and then the water runs out. So you gotta constantly fill it up and shit. But 2 minutes, that should be done. 1 minute. Yep, that other blade was already done. Check it out, how easy it is. And I'm done. I'm gonna clean it up so you guys can see how clean it looks now. Without that ugly tint. Happy with the final results. The tint is gone. No more ugly tint. Was bothering me for real. You know? When I was driving, I couldn't even see back, you know. I couldn't see the cars behind me, you know. Now I can look out for cops. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Peace.